a year and a half now, and I moved here, and I was like, I'm gonna be a guitar player. And I show up, and everybody's like, no, man, it's about the song. You gotta write the song, you know. So I'm kind of new to this songwriting thing, and he came over the other day, and we were sitting there, and I'd written a chorus, and he had an idea for a verse and an idea, so we just kind of threw it together, and this is about his buddy. His buddy's trying to talk him out of a tree with this girl, so I told him, I said, man, that's for the birds up there in the tree. So anyways, we got this idea, and we thought we'd throw it together, so hope you like it. I called my friend today to give him the news that she is gone. I can't believe the shit she put me through. Is this the last time? And I made my mistakes, but I'll come clean. These wings are broken. And I was thinking I'd stay at the end of the day, close to the thought that everything is okay. So when I climb that tree, I get stuck at the top, assuming the worst. Yeah, that's for the birds. My friend, he did his best to lighten the mood. He even told a few jokes, but every now and then there's a crow or two pecking at your heart. And I make my mistakes, but I'll come clean. These wings are broken. And I was thinking I'd stay at the end of the day, close to the thought that everything is okay. So when I climb that tree, I get stuck at the top, assuming the worst. Yeah, that's for the birds. Them birds will fly away, them birds will fly away, and leave me flapping my wings, leave me flapping my wings. I'm not here to stay, so I'll catch the breeze. And I was thinking I'd stay at the end of the day, close to the thought that okay. So when I climb that tree, I get stuck at the top, assuming the worst. Yeah, that's for the birds. When I was thinking I'd stay at the end of the day, close to the thought that everything is okay. So when I climb that tree, I get stuck at the top, assuming